Welcome, everyone. After a big meal, we don't want to clean. Let's see what happens.
The food is very good today.
Of course. I cooked it.
I ate too much. I cannot move.
Me too. I feel very full.
So, who will clean the table?
Good question. Maybe you?
Me? I am too old.
Oh, really? You ran this morning?
That was this morning. Now I am tired.
I am tired too. I cooked everything.
Cooking is easy. Cleaning is hard.
Oh, then next time you cook.
No, I don't want to burn the house.
Good choice, so you clean.
My back hurts. I cannot bend.
My hands hurt. I cannot wash.
Maybe we leave it for tomorrow?
Tomorrow, the dishes will grow legs.
Maybe they clean themselves.
Yes, in your dreams.
Let's play a game.
What game?
Let's play a game.
What game?
Rock, paper, scissors.
Okay,
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot!
1, 2, 3.
I win.
No, you cheated.
I did not. You are just slow.
Slow, you filled it in while I blinked. Let's try again.
No, I already won.
All right, you win.
Please, one more time.
Fine, last time.
This is not fair.
Life is not fair. Now clean.
Wait, I have another idea.
Oh no, not again.
We flip a coin.
Where is the coin?
I don't have one.
Then no coin. You clean.
What about sharing?
Sharing sounds better.
You clean the table?
And you?
I'll supervise. I watch you.
Very funny.
Okay. You clean, I wash dishes.
That sounds fair.
I am a smart husband,
Yes, finally.
But I wash slowly.
No problem. I clean slowly too.
Perfect. Deal?
Deal.
I love you.
I love you too.
We are a good team.
Yes, a lazy team.
Let's start later.
No, start now.
Okay. I go wash dishes.
And I clean the table.
Next time, we eat outside.
Yes, no dishes, no problem.